Midwest Mountain Engineering. When you're installing it, take the screw right here, dial it all the way in, tighten it to give yourself some more play, otherwise it's really hard to line it up with the bolts here. My plunger is already in there, it slipped out, but no big deal. Just go ahead and get that sunk back in to the plunger, hang on, lined up. Just go ahead and drop our little screw in. My threads are a little dirty, so I should probably hit them with some brake cleaner. But just go ahead, tighten her up. Don't have to go all the way in because we're going to do some testing on it and figure out our engagement. Worth noting that you cannot do this with the bike completely cold. I was trying at first to just slap it on like any other clutch replacement, and I was having a heck of a time. So I went ahead, fired up the bike, let it run about 3 minutes, warmed it up, and immediately had much better results. So that's good enough for now. Just not really happy with the pull. It's a lot more stiff than I'd expect it to be. So this little screw right here is for your clutch engagement. The more you loosen it, the easier that pull gets. It's really nice now, and I was not a fan of it a second ago, but you do still have to make sure it engages properly where you want it to. And I found the best way to get these things adjusted, take your handguard off, pull the clutch lever in. You can see a little adjuster screw right there. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do without, with your handguards on, so you have to take it off. I've got little guys sitting on the floor here. But I'm gonna go ahead and back this screw out, and that's gonna bring the lever closer to the bar for me. So just went ahead and backed that out, because remember we tightened it up all the way to make it easier to line this bolt up. So now the lever's much closer to the handlebar, the way I personally like it. Best way to test it is just to throw it in gear, start it up, see what she does. Now we're up and running. Clutch pull is nice. It engages. Gets it out. All there is to it. Just tighten it up. Just to recap, that is the clutch engagement screw, this little guy right here. So the more you screw that in, tighten it, the faster the clutch will engage when you pull it. So I have it set to where I barely touch it and the clutch engages. To move your lever in and out, and just pull the lever forward, you can adjust that screw right there. Loosen it up to bring the lever closer to your bar, tighten it up to bring it further away from your bar. I found that tightening it all the way up made for the easiest install, getting that screw to line up. And once it was in, I backed it out to the point where I liked it, and then just played with the clutch engagement right here. And initially it was really stiff, and I wasn't very pleased with it, but found after I backed that out and played with it, I've got a really nice easy pull here, and having it engage, just barely touching it, is going to really help that a lot too. So yeah, hope that helps you out.